Let's talk about MOIL. MOIL, we saw a good set of numbers reported by the company, especially a strong growth in terms of revenue, operational performance quite strong as well. Let's bring on board Mr. Ajit Kumar Saxena, CMD at MOIL, joining you with us. Thank you so much, sir, for joining you with us this afternoon on ET Now. Let's just talk about margins, right? When I'm seeing your margin trends, from last year, we've seen that growth coming in. Specifically, Q2 was just 14% in FY23, and today it's at 28%, your margins. So in terms of the sustainability of margins, what is aiding the margins this time? Could you talk about that?
I expect margins to be sustainable because if you talk about prices, that it has really come down in the last 18 months, but the volumes are supporting us. So these margins are sustainable, and perhaps it will go up from this point. That's what we are doing.
Mr. Saxena, this is Cheryl also joining in the conversation, and let's talk about the manganese prices, because if you look at that declined about 20% in the first half of the fiscal year itself, and which may have had an impact on your numbers as well. If you could tell us what's the trend that you are witnessing now that we are in the H2 of FY24, what sort of a trend are you seeing when it comes to the manganese prices, and also are you expecting it to inch higher?
Yeah, we expect it because in the second half, normally after festive season, steel markets and other markets do grow. So we expect a upward trend from this position.
From here on, so overall then does that indicate in terms of when I'm looking at it a bit sequentially in terms of the numbers, a bit muted. So for overall the demand trends that are shaping up and second half of the year, what is the revenue expectation that one could have from the company?
We expect somewhere around 1700 plus this year.
Right. Also, just then in terms of, if you could talk to us about, you did record that production, registered a record production and sales in Q2, as well as the first half of FY24. What is the production and sales guidance then for the full year of FY24 as well?
Production, we expect to somewhere around 17.6 or 18 lakh ton. And so is the sales. And prices are also, even with the no prices, we are able to market. My marketing sales force has registered, I think, around 54% growth over the previous year. So market is not an issue. Prices are okay. Yes, it is down, but still we are able to sell.
Let's talk about the recent policy change that we've seen. Actually, Cabinet has given a nod to the Mines and Minerals Act 1957, whereby commercial mining of 6 critical minerals, including lithium, will be allowed now. Is MOIL interested in getting into mining of any of these materials, mines and minerals?
Very much. We are exploring new elements as well as new geographies in the different places as well as the different minerals. We are really interested.
Okay, thank you so much, Mr. Saxena, for joining in with us this afternoon, giving us an understanding and looking out for more updates coming in from MOIL going forward as well. Thank you so much, sir, and festive greetings to you as well.